Hello friends, welcome to Math Infinity 81. In today's session we are seeing the perimeter of square. What is the formula of perimeter of square is a 4 into length. Now we are taking some problem. Find the perimeter of square having length 4 centimeter. So this is the square. We are writing 4 centimeter here. So what is the formula? Perimeter is equal to 4 into length, that is L is equal to, where L is a 4. So here is a 16 centimeter is the perimeter of square having side 4 centimeter. Now second problem is a square with side 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 4 into 5.5. So total is equal to 22 centimeter. So perimeter is a 22 centimeter of square having the side 5.5 centimeter. Now third problem, the square with side 24.5 centimeter. So here perimeter is equal to 4 into length, that is sides 24.5. So we get 98 centimeter. So perimeter is a 98 centimeter of the square whose side is 24.5 centimeter. Now moving to the next problem. Next problem is a word problem, that is the square sheet of paper has perimeter of 48 centimeter. What is the length of its sides? This is the square. We are finding the length of that square. So what is given here? Perimeter of square is equal to 48 centimeter, and we are finding the length. So what is the formula of perimeter? 4 into length. So 48, 4 into L. So L is equal to 48 divided by 4. So L is equal to 12. So the length of square paper sheet is 12 centimeter. This is the answer. Now moving to the next word problem. Next word problem is the square piece of land has side of 80 meter. So here the length that is L is equal to 80 meter given, and 2 layer of metal wire are required to fence it. The piece of metal wire is $10 per meter. Find the cost of the fencing. So perimeter of that land, it's have 80 centimeter. So perimeter of that land is equal to 4 into L, that is 4 into 80 centimeter. So 320 meter. Now the length of metal wire required to put up the 2-layer fence around the square piece of land. So what is the length of wire required to fence two round to land is equal to 2 into 320 meter is equal to 640 meter, and they are given us the piece of the metal wire is $10 per meter. So cost of fencing is equal to $10 into 640 meter, that is $6400. So total cost of fencing is equal to the total cost of fencing fencing is $6400. This is the answer. Now moving to the next problem. Next problem is the find the side of square whose perimeter is a 120 centimeter. Now here is the square where we are finding the length. Here giving the perimeter. How much? Perimeter is equal to 120 centimeter. So what is the formula? Perimeter is equal to 4 into length. 120 is equal to 4 into L. So L is equal to 120 upon 4 is equal to 30 centimeter. So the length of square is 30 centimeter. Now moving to the next problem. Next problem is find the cost of fencing of 3 sides of square garden having side 25 meter at the rate of $10 per meter. So here is the garden, square garden. It's having 25 meter, 25 meter, 25 meter. This is also 25 meter. But they are give only fencing of 3 side, only 3 side. This is second and this is third side. Only we want only 3 side fencing. So length of fencing is equal to 3 into 25. That is a 75 meter. So cost is the, what is the cost of fencing? Cost of fencing is equal to $10 into length of fencing is a 75. So $750 is the cost of fencing. So $750 is the cost of fencing of square garden of only three side. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the Math Infinity channel. Thank you.